हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल विच इज़ वाराणसी ब्लॉगर आराध्या स्टाइल। शेक्सपियर के बारे में हम लोगों ने पार्ट 1 में पढ़ लिया था। अब हम सेकंड पार्ट में चलते हैं। He had an amazing influence on our English language. More words that first appeared in his plays: accommodation, assassination, dexterously, dislocate, obscene, reliance, premeditate, lonely, gloomy, fretful, suspicious, hurry. William Shakespeare later years returned to Stratford around 1610, where he lived as a country gentleman. Wealthy, owned one of the largest homes in town. Died in Stratford in 1616 at the age of 52. His death was a mystery. It is rumored that he drank too much and contracted a fever, or that he died from a cerebral hemorrhage. Elizabethan age. Shakespeare lived and wrote during what is known as the English Renaissance, which lasted from about 1485 through the 1660s. Period is also known as Elizabethan age, named after Queen Elizabeth, who ruled England from 1558 to 1603. ये कुछ पिक्चर्स हैं क्वीन एलिजाबेथ के। उनके आप ड्रेसअप से देख सकते हैं, उस समय का एज कैसा था, उस समय का फैशन कैसा था। एलिजाबेथन एज. ड्यूरिंग द क्वींस रेन, सोसाइटी सेलिब्रेटेड पोएट्स. Elizabethans would be surprised to learn that their age would become best known for its theatre, as most considered drama a less distinguished form of literature than poetry. England was flourishing and London was becoming one of largest cities in Europe. However, life was not easy for everyone. Catholics experienced religious persecution. Women were subject to many restrictions. Most English people endured crowded living conditions and an unsatisfactory diet. Rich and poor alike were defenseless against bubonic plague. In 1564, the year Shakespeare was born, nearly one-third of his hometown died of the plague. Lost many siblings to plague. एलिजाबेथन एज और उस टाइम का फैशन. ये नेक की डिज़ाइन, स्लीव की डिज़ाइन, शूज़, ग्लव्स, ये लुक देखिए, उस समय का ये लुक फेमस था, पॉपुलर था. ग्लोब थिएटर. शेक्सपियर एंड द लॉर्ड चैम्बरलेन्स men performed at Burbage Theatre until 1599, when they built their own playhouse, the Globe. Shakespeare referred to the Globe as this wooden O, a term that led scholars to believe it was a circular building. ये देखिए ग्लोब थिएटर की पिक्चर है. ये भी सेम पिक्चर है. इसको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए इसके सारे बिल्डिंग्स के नक्शे को, मैप को प्रेजेंट किया गया है. कहाँ स्टेज है, कहाँ पे पब्लिक बैठती थी. अ वाइट फ्लैग इंडिकेट्स दैट देयर इज़ अ प्ले टुडे. ऊपर देखिए एक वाइट फ्लैग आपको दिख रहा होगा. ये इंडिकेट करता था कि थिएटर में आज कोई प्ले हो रहा है. प्लेज वर परफॉर्म ड्यूरिंग द डे. द ग्राउंडलिंग्स स्टूड बाय द स्टेज. The wealthy sat in the upper desks. Young men dressed up to play the female roles. उस समय फीमेल एक्ट नहीं करती थी. ग्लोब थिएटर. Attending Shakespeare's theatre was quite different from attending theatre today, which is thought of as very quiet and austere. In Elizabethan England, it was a noisy, popular gathering place for people of all ages and from all walks of life. हाँ, तो मैं कह रही थी कि जो जेंट्स थे वही लड़कियों का रूप लेते थे, गेटअप लेते थे. ग्लोब थिएटर. ड्रिंकिंग एंड ईटिंग वर परमिटेड इन द पिट, विच ऑफन बिकेम वेरी नॉइजी. इफ अ स्पेक्टेटर डिड नॉट लाइक अ पर्टिकुलर कैरेक्टर और सीन, he or she would feel free to hiss, or boo of throw anything he or she might have on hand. जो हम लोग कहते हैं हुटिंग होती है ना प्रोग्राम में, जब हमें प्रोग्राम पसंद नहीं आता, तो सेम उस समय भी ये फ्रीडम थी. Globe Theatre. It is possible that Shakespeare had this in mind when he included the phrase "with patient ears attend" in the prologue of Romeo and Juliet. The rowdy atmosphere of the pit also accounted for the exaggerated acting that was common at the time. To compensate for lines that the audience could not hear, the actors used exaggerated gestures and facial expressions unlike the natural method of acting that is used today. Nature of the crowd contributed to haste with which the lines were spoken. Today's Shakespeare play takes almost 3 hours that a play would have taken 2 hours or less. The 2 hours traffic of our stage. The original theatre was destroyed by a fire in 1613. It was rebuilt in 1614, closed in 1642, and demolished in 1644. A modern reconstruction of the original Globe named Shakespeare's Globe Theatre opened in 1997. Globe Theatre. Today, audience of this wooden O can sit in the gallery or stand as informally as a groundlings. Globe Theatre, just as they would have done 400 years ago. So friend, here is some points about Shakespeare and his age, and if you like these points, do like, share and subscribe my channel. मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, stay blessed, be happy, keep smiling. Bye.